Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey, and just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. Hi there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Crypto Halloween, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we've got something exciting to talk about, the launch of Ethena ENA on Binance Launchpool. But before we dive into details, let me introduce you to Ethena, a synthetic dollar protocol designed to revolutionize the world of decentralized finance. As you see, this is the announcement from the official website of Binance, introducing Ethena on Binance Launchpool, farm ENA by stacking BNB and FDUSD. So ENA or Ethena offer a unique solution to the challenge faced by traditional, providing users with a stable and secure digital assets backed by a robust protocol. The exciting part here is that you can get in on the action through Binance Launchpool. Binance is excited to announce on Binance Launchpool Ethena, a synthetic dollar protocol. The web page is estimated to be available in 5 hours before the Launchpool starts. If you click it here, you will check that is upcoming. The users will be able to stick their BNB and FDUSD into Space Pool to farm ENA token over 3 days, with farming starting from the 30 March 2024. And all is that giving the opportunity to earn rewards while supporting the project's growth. And let's walk through how you can join Binance and participate in ENA Launchpool. You will find the link in the description of this video as always, and with that you are not just supporting our channel but also unlock special benefits. Step 1 will be sign up for Binance user referral link. After clicking the link, sign up, and after that you can sign up by your Google account, Apple account, or sign up like that with the classic method using your name, your email, and all things from A to Z. It's easy, it's like creating a Gmail or any classic account. And make sure to verify your account to unlock full access to the Binance feed. And after you will create your Binance account, you will go like that, click login, and enter your login and password. For me, I have already set the security verification requirements. I have do the authenticator app and also the email. So I will do the verification like that. I will enter now the code of the authenticator like that. 293124. After that, the email, and I will receive now an email in my phone. After I have received it, 073091. So I will log in to my account using the link that I have sent it to you before. For now, I will click not now, but I will enter to my account. After that, I will go to more, Launchpad and Launchpool, and we will go here to see the projects or the Launchpool of this project, including the BNB and FDUSD Launchpool. And this is it. After successfully registering, navigate to the Launchpool section on the Binance platform. Here you'll find the ENA Launchpool, where you can stake your BNB and FDUSD to earn rewards. The last step here is to join the ENA Launchpool and start stacking. And there you have it. You are now ready to join the ENA Launchpool and enjoy the rewards. Don't miss out the exciting opportunity to be part of this future decentralized finance. And after I have explained all that, let's go now deep into this announcement. And let's check first of all some links like the Binance Launchpad, as you see here, including all details that website. First of all, this is the website of the project. You can check all the docs, all the news, and all the information from here. Community, from here you can join the Discord, and also the Genesis story from here. You can also check the white paper from here. As you see, it's well documented, and you can check it one by one. But for this video, our principal thing is the Launchpool. To join the Launchpool and try to be one of the people that will earn in this Launchpool. Stake BNB will be available in around 5 hours, and also the FDUSD also in 5 hours. And if there is any question about this project, you can check them and you can also ask them in Telegram. As you see, this is the Telegram official link. You can check it and they always answer all your needs. So I guess this is all about this project. I hope and I was good in announcing this project. If there is any question, ask me or ask the team of this project. Thank you very much for your trust and see you in the next video. But don't forget to put like, also subscribe and comment, because you help a lot our channel. Thank you very much.